All right, welcome back. So in today's episode, I wanted to add another option to our CLI. The majority of the videos I tend to make or plan to make in the future will be web-based. And so with that, I want to create an argument for my CLI called web. And this will just be, I think, Boolean. And we can do a short for W. And equals values.web. Actually, I could just do this, right? Web and zoom. And now I can say if web, and we're going to run another script here. I'm gonna call this script, let's call this Chrome. Now we'll create a Chrome.apple script. And within here, we're gonna do a couple of things. Do shell script. This is gonna open NA. And then we're gonna say Google Chrome. And then we're gonna pass it a couple args, one of which is guest, and then new window. And then we're gonna pass it localhost 3000, which is the default that I tend to develop on. So if we just run this, let's do npm run dev, and then we'll just say web. That should, so that opened up a browser. So you can see here we're guest, localhost 3000. And so that's pretty neat. So that leads me to my next step, is we'll add a delay just because we're waiting for the application to open. And let's now tell this application Google Chrome to activate. We don't need that. So now when we run this, not only will it open, sorry, my second browser is kind of messing with this, but it activates. And then, now that it's activating, we want to tell application, this time system events, to perform action AX press of button 2 of window 1 of the application process Google Chrome. So this right here is actually going to be clicking the full screen button. And so enabling full screen. And now, one last thing that I enjoy is I want to do a repeat 3 times key code 24 using command down. And now this is going to zoom into 150%. Oops, into 150%. And then we want to end repeat. So let me just disconnect my second monitor here. All right, you're gonna want a delay of 1 here. And if we just run this, you're gonna see it opens up our browser and it zooms in 3 times. So this is exactly what I wanted. Spawn the browser with the expected zoom of 150. This tends to be a good zoom level for presenting for mobile users. And I also like guest mode just so I don't have any sort of like autofilled in the URL bars or things of that nature. I don't want to leak too much of my browser history. So anyways, hope you learned something today. See you in the next one.